Hello guys, if you turn on your computer today and you see this message, your Windows 7 PC is out of support, your PC is not secure anymore like that because they don't do any updates for Windows 7, you have to update your Windows on Windows 10. This is most recommended. What you have to do exactly, I will show you in this video. Okay, so open up your browser, search for Windows 10, okay? Click the link. Here is the download tool. So after downloading media creation tool, double click on it. So here it is, getting a few things ready. I'm using Windows 7 Professional, but I have to upgrade on Windows 10 right now. Go to the end of the page, accept. Okay, you will see two options here. Upgrade this PC right now and create installation media USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. What I have to do, you have to choose option first. Let's upgrade this PC right now. And this progress for downloading it will take a little, depends on your internet speed. The progress now is 99%. Let's see now. Verifying your download. So it's verifying your download right now. So here it is, preparing Windows 10. The Windows, it will pop up and it show up again. So don't worry about that disappearing. It's checking your PC right now. And it says we are getting a few things ready. So it's getting updates. So making sure you're ready to install. This take a few minutes. So now we are ready to install. Okay, so we have to hit the button installation. Keep personal files and applications, so you need those. Okay, click next. It's getting updates again, checking for updates again. So installation just started right now. You will see the blue screen like this, and it started to install. So your PC, it will restart right now. So PC is restarting. Windows is loading files. Here it is, Windows 10 logo. So we have to wait here for some minutes. So it's working for updates right now. This is the first restart, first update. So now it's first restart. Let's see what is next step. Your computer will restart several times. So we had the first restart. So now we have 30% working on updates, and it will take a while. So I'm waiting for this process to be finished. So you have to be patient, take your coffee, and wait for the Windows to finish everything. So in this moment it's installed the drivers, graphic drivers. Okay, this is a restart number 2. It's working updates 86%. It's going faster right now. 96, 97, 100%. Okay, another restart right now. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Windows 10 is installed on my computer. It says almost there. Don't turn off your computer. Oh, look at this. Here are the settings now. We have to accept the settings. Just a moment. So as you see, guys, my computer is upgraded to the last version of Windows 10. Here we are. Here is the Windows 10 now. Properties. And let's see. Windows 10. And it's Windows 10 Pro. So the next step is delete all temporary files. My disk C is almost full right now after upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10. What you have to do is, on the end of this video, you will see a suggestion video. Click on the suggestion video right now to delete all the temporary files and all junk files. You don't need it anymore. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.